Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut wheel overlays on this Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2024 TRD Sport package. These are the 18-inch wheels. The film that we're going to be showing you is the gloss gray metallic. So this is going to primarily match the finish, the paint and finish on the factory wheel. We do have this available in a ton of different options on the site. We have images of this film on the site, the gloss black, sand black, and matte black. But like I said, we do have a bunch of other finishes available. And if you would like something that you don't see listed, we could order it in for you as well. If you notice me manipulating this film a little bit more on this installation video, it's because this is the first time I've been installing these. And they are a little off right now, but the finished product that you guys will receive is going to be fine. So just take note if you see me doing weird stuff, that's why. So this is applied completely dry. You want to start by cleaning the wheel, soap, water, car soap and water, let that dry off. Then you could go ahead and rub down the surfaces with rubbing alcohol and a little bit of microfiber, I should say. And this just helps to get any residue off that before you go ahead and apply. Some other things that you'll be needing today are a squeegee and a heat source. You could either use a heat gun or a hair dryer, depending on what you got. If you do need the tools for this, they are all available on our website as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Not really any particular order on the installation here. Wherever you feel comfortable with starting. So you're going to want to align it so it's just past where that machine portion is at. And I'm also aligning it here at the bottom, just a little bit past where that's at. Then you could go ahead and work the film down. This is a air release vinyl, so like I said, it is applied completely dry. It's going to have little air grooves in the back of the material to allow that air to dissipate. So you do want to hit this with a heat source as well, but we'll show you that in the last step. A lot of common questions we have with these are, can you still run it through a car wash? And the answer is yes. However, I do recommend just washing this with normal car soap, water, something that's mild. The problem with the automated car washes is the detergents and cleaners that they use on those are generally pretty harsh on the surfaces. You know, and even I think on this vehicle, your pillars in between the two windows, that's actually a vinyl from the factory. So it is something you can do. It's not recommended though, because basically those harsher chemicals will dry the vinyl out over time. You'll start to get discoloration. Eventually the vinyl will probably fail. Whereas if you wash it by hand, you know, you're going to see the maximum amount of life out of it at that point. And generally speaking, on these, manufacturers list these films at about 10 years. I generally tell customers you're looking at about probably 4 to 5 years before you're going to want to reapply them. And if you do notice anything as far as fading of the films, like the gloss just doesn't look glossy anymore, that's a point that you want to take the film off because it's actually starting to fully break down. But these are clean removable. So if you don't like them, or if you're putting these on a lease vehicle, you go ahead and remove them in a couple years. And if you do have any residual adhesive left over, that could be removed with a microfiber and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I feel like I'm totally in this shot here, but it's just an awkward place to install. So like I said, this is one that's just giving me trouble because, like I said, these are the first offs that I have. Generally, when I redo these, they'll be slightly oversized, so you're going to have probably, you know, 1/16 of an inch to play on overhang here. So you shouldn't have any alignment issues. And getting back to the harsher chemicals that are used in car washes, if you're using even like stuff at home, the wheel cleaner, that's going to do the same thing. So the wheels are powder coated, and that's a very durable surface, whereas vinyl is not as durable by any means. So you want to really refrain from using those, because that will actually cause that, like I said, the material breakdown. And what else you will see is the actual, when you go to remove them, your adhesive is going to be a lot stickier to the painted surface. And by painted, I mean the machine surface here that we're covering. So just keep that in mind as well. As far as installation temperature, these are wanting to normally be applied at around 60 degrees. You can apply them in warmer temperatures, that's not an issue. With the warmer temperature, you're just going to notice that this film is a little bit more pliable, so you just want to be a little bit more careful. Colder temperatures, not recommended, because the film actually will become brittle, not necessarily once it's applied, but during that application process, that's when it is the most brittle. So you do have a possibility of ripping the film at that point. And if you are in a colder climate, you can apply these in a heated garage or a heated whatever space, or you could take the wheels off, bring them in your house, same kind of concept. You don't really have to wait after they're applied to drive the vehicle, so that is convenient as well. So now that those are all down, we're going to go over this with a heat source. I'm going to be using a heat gun. Like I said, you can use a hairdryer, either way. So you want to just go over the entire face of it to make sure you don't have anything popped up or missing. As far as like the adhesion there, you will notice it. And then right where it meets the tire, if you run that heat gun along that corner, and you can just use your finger to tuck that down. If you notice, I did just get a crease in the film right there. If you do have something like that that happens, you can pull the film back up, heat it up a little bit. That crease will dissipate back into the material. You can lay the film back down. So the last step, you would want to take a squeegee and just tuck all the way down into that groove in between the wheel. I'm not going to show you that entire process because it's pretty self-explanatory. But like I said, this is the metallic gloss gray. This is going to most closely match your factory wheel color. We do have this available and all those other options that I talked about. If you have any questions on this product or anything else that we offer for this vehicle, feel free to reach out. Our contact information is on the website. Thanks for watching.